Looking for the best desktop PC in 2025? Today we're ranking 5 top contenders, from budget builds to powerhouse performers, so you can find the right one for your needs. Starting off our list in 5th place is a desktop for the ultra budget crowd, the STG Albron ABR0122. It's definitely not flashy, but for anyone just looking to get into PC gaming or needing a system for basic 1080p tasks, this one delivers without draining your wallet. This machine comes equipped with an older Intel Core i7 paired with a Radeon RX 580 graphics card. That combo still holds up decently well for light gaming, everyday use, or even schoolwork. You're getting a compact tower that's plug and play out of the box, which is ideal if you're not into building your own rig. But let's be honest, this system is definitely showing its age. The components are outdated, the RAM is still DDR3, and the SSD is on the small side by today's standards. It'll struggle with newer games or multitasking heavy workloads. If you're looking for something more future-proof, keep watching. Better options are coming. Still, if your budget is tight and you're okay with a no-frills experience, the STG Albron could be a solid entry point. And remember, links to all the products from this review at the best available prices are waiting for you in the description below. Next up in 4th place is the Dell ECT1250, a sleek, modern tower built for productivity, not gaming. If you need a solid desktop for work, school, or casual use, this one's a top-tier performer in its category. This Dell runs on Intel's latest Ultra 7 chip and comes loaded with 32 gigs of fast DDR5 RAM. Combined with a 1TB SSD, it handles multitasking like a champ. Whether you're editing documents, running spreadsheets, or juggling browser tabs all day long. It's compact, quiet, and great for office environments. The catch? It has no discrete graphics card. That means forget gaming or anything graphics intensive. This PC just isn't built for that. Compared to gaming-focused desktops in this list, it falls flat in the entertainment department. But if you're focused on productivity, reliability, and hassle-free performance, the Dell ECT1250 is a great fit. By the way, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. There's more coming your way. In 3rd place, we've got the CyberpowerPC Gamer Master, a mid-tier gaming PC that delivers solid performance where it counts. This is a sweet spot for gamers who want power without going all in on price. The Ryzen 7 chip in here is fast and reliable, and is paired with an RTX 5060 Ti graphics card. That means 1080p and even some 1440p gaming will be smooth and enjoyable. You'll also get modern DDR5 RAM and fast SSD storage for quick load times and multitasking. Still, with only 16 gigs of RAM and a mid-range GPU, this one might struggle with more demanding games on ultra settings or future titles a few years down the line. Compared to the top-tier systems on this list, it's a step behind, but it makes sense for the price. This desktop is best suited for gamers who want solid performance now, but might upgrade later. It's a good mix of value and power, perfect if you're stepping up from an older system. Coming in hot at number 2 is the MSI Codex Z2, a powerhouse that balances high-end specs with reliability and value. This one's made for serious gamers and creators who need performance without going overboard. It packs a Ryzen 7 processor and an RTX 5070 GPU, giving you smooth gameplay at 1440p and even respectable results at 4K. With 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM and a huge 2TB SSD, there's tons of room for games, apps, and multitasking without any lag. The only trade-off here is a lack of liquid cooling and the fact that it doesn't push the absolute limits of GPU performance. It's excellent, but it's not the best of the best. If you want a system that's ready for AAA titles, streaming, or even content creation without spending a fortune, the Codex Z2 is a fantastic pick. And finally, in the number 1 spot, the iBUYPOWER Y40. This is a top-tier machine built for serious gamers, streamers, and anyone who wants elite performance right out of the box. It runs on the powerful Ryzen 7 7800X3D processor, one of the best CPUs for gaming right now, paired with an RTX 5070 Ti graphics card. That combo crushes 1080p and 1440p gaming and holds up nicely even at 4K. You also get 32 gigs of RAM, a big 2TB SSD, and a 240mm liquid cooler to keep everything running smoothly and quietly. Sure, it's more expensive than others, but for what you're getting, high-end hardware, great thermals, and clean design, it's totally worth it if you want the best. If you want a desktop that can handle anything you throw at it and still look cool doing it, this is the one to beat. All the top products we've covered today are linked in the description below, with the best prices I could find. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more deep dives into the best gear out there.